Laptop air coolers can prevent your laptop from overheating, which can cause it to slow down or shut down unexpectedly. This can improve the overall performance of your laptop. Overheating can also cause damage to the internal components of your laptop, which can shorten its lifespan. Using an air cooler can help prevent this damage and extend the life of your laptop. Using an air cooler can also help reduce the noise from your laptop's internal fans, which can be distracting and annoying when you're trying to work or watch a movie. After hours of research and after taking expert advice, we have listed the top 5 best products in this video. The links for the product mentioned in the video or in the description box below. That help us to you find the best one for your budget.
Number 1. The KLAM Tempest is an innovative laptop cooler that offers rapid cooling and temperature detection features to protect your laptop from overheating, crashes, and low performance. It comes with a reliable motor that spins at 4,000 RPM to extract hot air from your computer, 2 fixing plates, attachment hooks, foam feet, 3 rubber adapters, and 13 speed levels to easily find the best balance between noise and cooling capacity. The KLAM Tempest is made of durable ABS material and comes with a 5-year warranty. It is compatible with laptops with side or rear exhausts of adequate size and shape, drastically lowers the temperature of the internal components, and extends your laptop's life. Equipped with a reliable motor that spins at 4,000 RPM to extract hot air from your computer. 2 operating modes plus automatic temperature detection with 13 speed levels to easily find the best balance between noise and cooling capacity.
Number 2. KBN Laptop Cooling Pad is with 2 strong fans and metal mesh, provides airflow to keep your laptop cool quickly and avoids overheating during long time using. Ergonomic height stands, 5 adjustable heights decision to put the stand up or flat and hold your laptop in a suitable position. 2 baffle prevents your laptop from sliding down or falling off. It's not just a laptop cooling pad, but also a perfect laptop stand. A hideable mobile phone holder that can be used on both sides releases your hand. Blue LED indicator helps to notice the active status of the cooling pad. 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB ports on the back of the laptop cooler. The package contains a USB cable for connecting to a laptop, and another USB port for connecting other devices such as keyboard, mouse, U-disk, etc. The light and portable laptop cooling pad works with most laptops up to 15.6 inch. Meet your needs when using laptop, home or office for work. Number 3. The Cooler Master Fan MF200R is a 200mm ARGB fan that offers full color customization. Silent cooling technology. Hybrid design for static air pressure and airflow. It is compatible with Asus Aura, ASRock RGB, and MSI RGB. The silent cooling technology provides peace and quiet even when your PC is working overtime. The hybrid design offers a combination of both jet engine and helicopter blade designs to give you the static air pressure you need without sacrificing airflow. Additionally, the smart fan sensor prevents cable snags. Number 4. Ice Curl K9 Laptop Cooling Pad is with 6 high-speed silent turbo fans, provides excellent cooling effect, 360 degrees all-round dynamic cooling. At the same time, this laptop cooling fan are all added with capacitor components to reduce working noise. Very quiet and creates a noise-free environment for you, equipped with ergonomic stand and 6-level adjustable height setting to help you to get the most comfortable angle when playing games, watch videos or doing work for all-day reviewing. 2 non-slip baffle with additional offer 2 heightening pad for the thick laptop, prevents your laptop from sliding down or falling off. It's not just a laptop cooling pad, but also a perfect laptop stand. This cooling pad can be used for cooling of laptops, tablets, routers, set-top boxes, etc. The computer cooling pad is compatible with 11 to 17.3 inch. We provide 24-hour all-day service. If you have any questions, please contact us at any time. We will provide you with professional after-sales service. Number 5. Based on the Peltier effect and other principles, the development of thermoelectric cooler with a close-fitting heat conduction sheet achieves the effect of cooling in 3 seconds. 11-blade imitation aviation ultra-thin silent fan blade. With brushless motor, the noise is less than 20 decibels, and the heat dissipation is quieter. The fans have a maximum RPM of 2,800 R per minute, and the full coverage of the fuselage allows for greater air circulation. Unique surround RGB lighting. This notebook cooler has LED dazzling lights, with multiple RGB colors and 10 lighting effect modes. The LCD screen allows you to operate more conveniently. 6-level height adjustable, enjoy a comfortable angle. The product has a non-slip buckle so that the base is stable and does not shake. The first dual system fast cooling to meet the cooling needs of all notebooks. The large cooling area can meet the needs of most laptop models.
If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.